Stone particle gradation test. 1. Executive standard. 2. Purpose. To determine the stone particle gradation so as to select the aggregate gradation when designing proportions of concrete mix. 3 steps. 1. A set of square hole sieves with hole diameters of 40 mm, 20 mm, 10 mm, and 5 mm. 2. Pound scale. 3. Shovel. 4. Iron tray, etc. Steps. 1. Using the quartering method to select air-dried samples. The maximum particle size of the aggregates used in this test is 40 mm. According to the specification, Table 2.18.3, the sample should be at least 20 kilograms. Arrange the sieves in order from large to small, and pour the sample into the sieves. During the sieving of square hole, sieve with hole diameter of 40 mm, it can be seen that all the stone samples pass through the sieve hole and fall onto the sieve with hole diameter of 20 mm. 3. Sieve the stones using a square hole sieve with hole diameter of 20 mm. 4. During the sieving process, the stone smaller than 20 mm falls onto the sieve with smaller hole diameter. Continue sieving until the throughput per minute does not exceed 0.1% of the total sample volume. Then pour the stones left on the 20 mm square sieve into the iron tray. Weigh the sieve residues. Continue in this way, respectively sieve the stones left on 10 mm and 5 mm square hole sieves, and weigh each sieve residues. After sieving, if the difference between the sum of the sieve residues on each sieve and the sieve residues on the base and the original sample volume exceeds 1%, repeat the test. 5 test results processing. 1. Calculate the residue percentage of each sieve, which is the percentage obtained using the residue of each sieve divided by the total sample volume, accurate to 0.1%. 2. Calculate residue percentage of all sieves. Take the average of 2 measurements as the test result. Clean up the test site.